The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Hermitage to 9 miles east of Spring Hill, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Several trees in Williamson County have been snapped or downed by this line of storms. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Lebanon, Smyrna, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Belinda City, Eagleville, Christiana, Fosterville, Treelum, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Rockvale, Gladeville, and Las Casas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind at